Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Minecraft. Open the official Minecraft launcher and sign in with your Mojang or Microsoft account, then enable snapshots or show historical versions in settings. Locate the Legacy dropdown, select the Alpha branch, and create a new profile dedicated to Alpha to avoid overriding modern saves. Always back up your current worlds and settings before launching Alpha to prevent accidental data loss. Sign into the launcher and go to Settings to enable historical versions or legacy releases. Once visible, open the version selector and scroll to find the Alpha builds, then pick the specific Alpha version you want. Create a new launcher profile and assign a unique game directory so your Alpha files stay separate from current worlds and mods. Confirm the profile settings, then click play to download and run Alpha safely without affecting your main install. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video for more step-by-step tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like vintage gear and go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort during long building sessions. I love how they hold up through marathon playtesting, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Alpha can behave differently than modern Minecraft, so expect changes in spawning, world generation, and available blocks. Avoid running mods unless they explicitly support Alpha, and use a fresh launcher or profile to reduce conflicts. Always store Alpha worlds in a separate directory and periodically copy backups to an external folder or cloud storage. If performance issues occur, try lowering render distance or updating Java, but keep versions compatible with the Alpha release.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.